Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. Alright, we're going to do these Ram 1500 door panels. These are the rear. These are like a full length door, kind of similar to the front door. So it's not like an extended cap or they're shorter. So what we're going to start off first is we're going to take all these little Torx off. There's 1, 2, looks like 3, and then 4, and then 5 of them. So we're going to take all those out. They are a T20 Torx, and that will fit right in there. Just back them on out. So here's what it looks like when you pull it out. This is going to be the back part that's in there. And then this little guy right here slides into the front. So basically, this is how it slides in, just like that. Just so you know. So the more you pull this out, the more easy it is to get this clip out. And you just got to take all of them out right now. All right, now that we have all these removed, we're going to move on to this piece right here, which we can use like a hook tool. And we need to just get behind it and pull this plastic piece off right here. We pulled this off right here, and then here's the back side of it. Kind of the clips that you have on there. We kind of went from this corner and pulled out and then pulled around. And then behind this, you're gonna have a big, huge screw, number 3. We're gonna take this off with our number 3. I would probably recommend using a number 3. You could probably do it with a number 2, but I would not take the risk of stripping it out. You need to come up here as well, get your plastic pry tool, and you'll want to pry this piece right here off. Just be kind of careful, don't want to break it. Just very gently, then boom. And then those are the clips that you'll have behind it, because this door panel sits behind this plastic piece. And then if you can take this piece right here, and since you've taken the screw out, you should be able to take this plastic piece out as well. It kind of makes it easier to get the whole door panel off with this piece. Boom. So basically we just slide that out. Boom. That makes it a whole lot easier without that piece in there to be able to get the door panel off. And then we just pulled up on the door panel, and you'll need to make sure that this right here, you don't want to damage this part right here, so just pull up on that. We did go ahead and pull this out. It's right here. We went ahead and just pulled it out because you have to unplug it from right here. Just made it easier. Just pull this out and then pull this out as much as you can. Unplug. That piece goes right here. And what you'll want to do is you do not want to pull out. Don't pull out on the door panel. You want to pull up the whole door panel. So let me show you why I'm saying that. Because on the back side of the door panel, if you look on here, it's all hooks. So Ram, Durango's, Super uses a hook system. So basically that's what slides down in. So you're just going to slide the door panel up. Do not pull out. You will break every one of these off. So if you can see in here, this is the hook system that it has. They use these on Durangos and Rams, things like that. Just understand you just got to pull up, and don't get this caught in it right here either. You want to make sure that this is out. And then right here is our 6x9, and we're going to take off all 4 of these bolts. I can't remember what these are. If these are 5, 5.5, 4, I can't remember what these are. They're tiny, but we need to get all these out and replace these 6x9s right here. So these little bad boys are 5mm. Tiny, tiny little heads on them. Look at those little things. 5mm. Look at these whopping huge. This is my hand compared to this little tiny magnet. Man, this thing is tiny. This looks like an old Krakow or Jensen. It's like a paperweight too. Don't weigh nothing. Just a paper dual cone, paper surround, tiny little turd magnet. Weighs 15 watts, 4 ohm. Yeah, these things junk. Can't wait to change these out and put some real speakers in this bad boy. These are the harnesses that we're going to be using, which is a 72-6514R. They have them in Red Wolf. They have them in these generic brands like these. They also have them through Metra. We'll put a link down below in the description. Click on the description or the bigger part where it says more. And when you get there, you'll have a link to these. You'll have a link to the speakers. But these will plug in right here to the speaker itself, right here on the terminals, and then plug right into the factory plug. It makes it super simple. It's plug and play. You do not cut anything. So there's the generic brands, Red Wolf brands, and Metra brands. We'll put a link to all three down below. We're going to test out the generic, the Red Wolf, and the Metra on this vehicle to kind of show you, you know, the longevity and how good these work. Because some of these cheaper ones, I will tell you, they start falling apart or they come out of these seams right here. So Metra has always been proven to be one of the best as quality, but they do cost more. So that's something to definitely think about if this is your personal vehicle or if this is something you plan on keeping for a while. As you can see, we plugged everything into the factory plug right here to the speakers. It's all pretty much plug and play. We just need to mount it back up.